Hey everyone, I thought I would do a follow-up. So I'm pretty much done with the joiner's bench and I love it. I haven't really done anything on it yet, but I'm getting ready to start my first project on it. I have a couple of little things I need to do to it. There's a couple of cross braces that Rex recommended putting on. I don't know that it needs it, but I'll probably put it on eventually. If I do a lot of planing, it'll keep it from racking back and forth on the planing side. I need to put a vise on it. So I think here in a couple weeks I'm going to build the leg vise that Rex designed for this. I'm pretty excited about that. And I think that I'm going to try to make some wooden holdfasts. So I've drilled some holes in the top and on the apron to be able to hold things on the table. And I'll eventually get some metal holdfasts if I find that I use them frequently. But I really think I'm going to try to make some wooden ones just to see. Pask Makes YouTube channel, he released some plans for some wooden holdfasts, and so I'm going to attempt those and see. Can't wait to use it. So now let's get started on the next project. So I'm starting with a block of oak, and it needs to be about 7.5 inches long. And with the template, I'll cut the template out and glue It's not perfect. My hole is a little off center, but with some sanding, I think it'll be all right. Hey guys, just wrapped this project up. I made a wooden holdfast. As you can see, put a little finish on it, put a little leather pad, and I will say that on the top of the bench it works pretty well. I really need a second one, so I'm going to make another one and see how it works on the apron. The wooden dowel likes the 1.5 inch wood, but where it's doubled up inside, where the dog holes are 3 inches, it doesn't hold quite as well. It really can't make that angle. So I don't know if the holes need to be a little bigger so that the dowel can wedge. Maybe if they wear a little bit, they'll perform a little better. But all in all, this was all scraps that I had laying around. So it worked out really well that I didn't have to buy anything. Looks good. I'm really pleased. So really happy with my bench. It was kind of fun to work on my first project on my bench, and really like the Holdfast. So probably 90% of the work you do on the bench top, this would work for. I really think eventually I'll get either maybe make my own Holdfasts, find a local blacksmith to make some for me, or just splurge and get the Gramercy Holdfasts that everybody raves about. So that's it. Thanks for tuning in, and who knows what we'll do next. So hopefully you'll come back and watch.